Hey everyone, have you noticed the viral trend sweeping across YouTube right now? AI-generated music videos are taking off in a big way, and the best part? They're super easy to make. Just a few years ago, creating a music video like this would have required a big budget, a production crew, and weeks of editing. But now, thanks to powerful AI tools, you can make high-quality music videos in just a few hours. Let's take one example. A channel that launched only a few months ago already has over 101,000 subscribers and a video with more than 4.1 million views. According to Social Blade, they're earning around $40,000 a month. Crazy, right? The AI music video trend is still in its early stages, which means there's a huge opportunity to jump in, grow your audience fast, and even make some serious income. You can post these videos across YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram to get more reach and build your brand. In this guide, I'll show you exactly how to create your own AI-powered music videos, even if you're a total beginner. Step 1. Create the music. Start by giving prompt to chat about what type of music you want. Use ChatGPT with the latest version to generate lyrics and style based on your input. You can stick with a genre like ambient trance or experiment with others like hip-hop or pop. Then go to Suno AI, an AI music generator. Paste your prompts into the style and lyrics fields, name your track, and hit create. Suno will generate 2 versions. Pick your favorite and download it. Step 2. Generate visuals. Next, we need visuals. Back in ChatGPT, use a fresh prompt to create descriptions for your images, mood, colors, styling, etc. You'll be making 3 types of shots: environment, to set the scene, full body, for character and vibe, and action shots, to add energy. Use Midjourney or alternatives like Leonardo AI or CG Dreams to generate these visuals. Always set the aspect ratio to 16:9 for YouTube. To ensure consistent quality, use style transfer features to match the look across images. Be sure to avoid nudity, add prompts like no naked boobs, and use words like outfit instead of restricted terms. Save and organize your 30 to 45 images in a dedicated folder. You can also download high-performing thumbnails from viral YouTube videos and use ChatGPT to generate similar image prompts, then recreate them in Midjourney or CG Dreams. Step 3. Animate images. Head to Kling AI and use the image-to-video tool. Upload your image, paste the generated animation prompt, and add a negative prompt to avoid weird artifacts. Hit generate and repeat for all your images. Download and label them for easy access. Want to take it further? Use Kling AI's lip sync tool. Export your music's vocal segments as MP3 files from CapCut, upload them into Kling AI, and sync the animations with the vocals. This creates a highly engaging and professional effect. Step 4. Edit everything in CapCut. Now it's time to assemble your music video. Create a new project in CapCut with a 16:9 aspect ratio and 60 FPS. Import your music and animations. Start syncing the animations with the music, especially the lip-synced clips. Use the timeline to align the clips like stairs and fill in any gaps with non-lip-synced animations. Fine-tune each clip's speed or duration to fit the music, and remove any embedded audio to avoid echo. Combine all layers into a compound clip. Add an intro with your channel name and a watermark to brand your video. Wrap it up with a TV off transition and glitch sound effect for a professional finish. Then export your final video. For extra polish, structure your animations using the 3 image types: environmental for mood, full body for visual appeal, and action shots for energetic parts of the song. Match these with your music structure to boost viewer engagement. And that's it. With just a few tools and some creativity, you can create eye-catching AI music videos that capture attention and grow your channel. If you found this helpful, like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials like this. See you next time.